pan with this, but there's so little in here, I can literally, I'm just going to use our lid here and dab some, get it wet. Dab some, get it wet. Basically how a printing press works. So we're just going to, I'm not going to stain it at all. I want to leave it its original color here. This is literally just polyurethane, water-based polyurethane, just to seal it up and give it a little bit of shine, but it should come out looking real nice. I'm even going to do these edges here. You can see, because this stuff's already starting to peel off a little, the bark. So we'll get that a little wet here, fill those up. I don't know if you guys can see it poking out of here, but I have Christmas ornaments. Alright, they're metal. Nope. Don't do the dirty part in the middle. Do the dirty part at the end. Well, that's why we call this adventures, right? We're both learning. Yeah, we can get most of this out. And if there's any dirt or junk in there, once any of this is dry, you can literally just hit it with, you don't even have to use a machine. You can just hit it with sandpaper and it'll come right out. You will have to do another coat, but that's easy enough. That's simple. So close that up and show you guys some of these. So I've been kind of busy with the old laser cutter, and actually I need to sand all of these except this one. This one I've already sanded, and I'll bring it up close here so you can see. Hold on, let me get this. Alright, so you can see how the end one here is white and there's no burn, and this one's got burn all the way around it. It's a couple of things to take care of that, which is settings on the laser and or air assist on the laser, because it'll blow it won't stick onto the wood. So I actually have the air assist stuff here. I'm about to make that video, but I just wanted to show you guys these, and I'll keep updating you on them. And if anybody has any ideas or thoughts, or hey, I want, blah 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 carved into a Christmas thing, or it doesn't have to be a Christmas ornament either. It can be anything. I cut this one earlier. I kind of like that one. I guess it depends which way you go in the Star Wars world. That one kind of worked, but it's a little weird. I like the Dancing Bear one. That one came out. My buddy Jamie wanted that one, so yeah, we'll try that one out. And of course, I made a Blackbird one. You got to. No, you probably can't even see it. But yeah, so I like that one. That one's pretty cool. Hopefully you can see those. I think they're coming out anyway. So we'll keep you updated. I'm cutting the test card right now, and I need to do a couple other things, but thanks for coming by, and we will keep you updated on the other burning things. But yeah, as for right now, actually this wood is so dry that it is literally, it sucked most of that up. It just inhaled it. So I'm going to hit this again real quick. Yeah, I know. Picking up. Darn it. Don't do the outside first, kiddies. You get chunks. I'm going to have to sand it again. That's alright. You kind of should sand it between coats anyway. It flattens everything out. This stuff is less prone to that than the oil-based stuff. The oil-based stuff is serious. Um, that stuff is thick. So yeah, we'll let this dry and get on to other projects. Thanks for coming by, guys. See you soon. Hey guys, so kind of a finish up to the sign. What I did was, you can see it's polyurethane. So get this stuff, works real great, real good, love it. Gives you that nice gloss, waterproofs it. It's oil based, so you got to watch on the cleanup. Or I like these things. They're nice, they're handy, they're not super expensive. You can toss it when you're done with it. Works really, really good. I've been doing a bunch of ornaments and stuff, and these, I'm gonna try and get the gloss. There we go. See how much gloss is on there. Makes it really nice. That's what it looks like before. So it's just a piece of plywood, but once you polyurethane it, excuse me, they come out real nice. So yeah, just another hint, tip, and figure I'd finish up that project, show you the end of it, and then on to more. I got to go gift this away, and yeah, keep on burning, guys. Have a good one.